Hey, Marley. Hi, Marley. You want presents too? We did New Year's last night. We should have waited till today, huh, buddy?
Leaf.
Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. Yay.
Look at him. He wants the card.
Hi, baby. Mrs. Ayton.
Yeah.
Rick, can you open the box for him at least? Take it out of the box for him.
He's got way more to open.
Yeah. Listen. Is he puking, or is that just Joe?
Joe.
Yay! What's that?
He says, how do you...